My name is Ramratan Gupta. I am a senior full stack engineer with 15 years of experience. I have been working for 10 years in a SaaS-based product company, which is a startup company. I have experience in front-end technology, ReactJS, React Bootstrap UI, for- and in the backend, I have experience with NodeJS, Python, and PHP, with MySQL and Redis. In DevOps, I have experience with AWS, infrastructure deployment using CloudFormation, and I have experience with the release management in a production environment. I led a scrum of 5 people. I did revamp AWS infrastructure, which resulted in 45% of cost saving. I involved in various automation projects, which resulted in team productivity and software reliability.